Welcome to Holla in Norway, welcome to Wacker. You might all know silicon dioxide as quartz, for example as a sand at the beach or in the mountains. Here we are converting this naturally occurring silicon dioxide into metallurgical grade silicon. These dark, shiny silicon chunks are one of the most important raw materials. They serve as the basis for microchips, solar modules and the full range of silicons. Wacker has set itself ambitious sustainability targets. We want to halve our greenhouse gas emissions until 2030 and reach net zero until 2045. Silicon production here in Holla is a major piece of this. In 3 steps, we think climate-neutral silicon can be possible. Converting silicon dioxide into metallurgical grade silicon, what you can see here, is an energy-intensive process. Since 2022, this production is running on 100% green electricity. For example, hydropower plants here in Norway. During the production process, chemically unavoidable CO2 is occurring. Last year, Wacker piloted successfully carbon capture. With this, we can capture the carbon and reuse or store it and prevent its release into the atmosphere. Here we are standing in our harbor and this ship brings biogenic carbon. Because we want to switch our production to renewable materials by replacing fossil coal with biogenic carbon, a major step. Renewable energy, biogenic carbon and carbon capture will one day make climate-neutral silicon come true. Thank you for joining us here at Wacker in Holla and stay tuned.